Hello, Karina. Thank you for sharing your video with the class and with me. I enjoyed watching you and listening to your elevator speech. I want to draw your attention to the importance of maintaining eye contact with your viewer. The way that we maintain eye contact is by looking directly into the camera lens. The camera lens typically has a light next to it, and when it's recording, the light is shining. So you find that on your laptop or on your camera, and when you're recording, you talk directly to that light. It feels very artificial because it is very artificial, but that's the technology we are working with these days. It might improve, and maybe we will have the holograms or something to relate to in the future. But for now, this is the way it is. And so work on that. We also want to think about movement on camera. Every move on camera is magnified by a factor of about 10 and maybe more. So be careful with extra movement that doesn't mean anything, movement that shows energy leaking, like fidgeting in your chair or fixing your hair or doing other things that don't relate to the content of your presentation. What we're really trying to learn here is how to control our energy and thereby control the attention of our viewers. So eye contact is the beginning. Get that one under control first, under mastery, and you'll be a long way toward controlling the attention of your listeners. Thanks for sharing. I'll see you.